Today, we're focusing on something so many of us need, a nervous system reset with yoga. In this session, I'll guide you through simple, gentle practices you can return to any time you feel overstimulated or drained. Life can often feel overwhelming: stress, anxiety, constant notifications, endless responsibilities. Our nervous system carries all of it. The good news is, yoga offers powerful tools to release tension, calm the body, and restore balance. Through mindful yoga, breathwork, and relaxation, we can switch on the body's natural healing response, called the parasympathetic nervous system. That's where true recovery and calm begin. Even just a few minutes of conscious breathing or restorative poses can shift you from stress to serenity. Yoga for stress relief and yoga for anxiety are not just practices, they're medicine for the mind and body. Let's begin with the breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if that feels safe, and take a slow inhale through the nose. Exhale gently through the mouth. Feel your shoulders soften, your jaw relax. We'll try a simple technique called box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold again for 4. Repeat this cycle a few times. This practice tells your nervous system, you are safe, you can relax, you can let go. Just a few rounds each day can calm anxiety and reset your energy. Now let's move into the body. We'll begin with child's pose, knees wide, arms stretched forward, forehead resting on the mat. This pose creates deep grounding, reminding the body it's supported. Breathe slowly here. Next, come into legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back, extend your legs upward, and let them rest against a wall or chair. This inversion soothes the nervous system, reduces fatigue, and brings fresh circulation. From here, move into a gentle supine twist. Knees fall to one side, arms out wide, gaze opposite. Twists help release tension stored in the spine and improve digestion, which is closely linked to our stress response. Finally, settle into Savasana, lying flat, palms open. Imagine melting into the earth. With every exhale, release whatever you've been holding. As you rest here, repeat softly to yourself, I am safe. I am calm. I allow my body to heal. Feel your breath slow down, your heartbeat steady, and your mind clear. This is your nervous system resetting, realigning, returning to balance. Yoga gives us the tools to regulate, restore, and reconnect. Each time you pause to breathe, to stretch, or to rest with awareness, you're teaching your nervous system that safety is possible, that healing is available. Practice this flow anytime you feel anxious, overwhelmed, or simply in need of a reset. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And in the comments, let me know, what helps you reset your nervous system the most? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being here, and until next time, may you carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day.